Today, we mark an important milestone of the Penang Green Industry Program, or PGIP. A strategic initiative that supports manufacturers in transitioning towards low carbon and sustainable industrial practices. These programs reflects our commitment to not only meet global expectations, but to set a strong benchmark for green manufacturing in the region.
The Penang Green Council is deeply committed to ensuring our industries do not navigate these new challenges alone. Why fear when we are here? The Penang State Government, with the help of Penang Green Council, is here to assist you in whatever ways we can.
We are proud we were formalizing a collaboration with 𝐒𝐮𝐬𝐭𝐚𝐢𝐴 Human Resource Development Center. This partnership will strengthen our efforts in sustainability capacity building and talent development.
2, 1.
We are launching a new transformation platform designed to support industries across their sustainability journey under the PGIP, known as SHIFT, that is Sustainable and Holistic Industry Forward Transformation. Also today, we are pleased to announce the activation of the Climate Mitigation Fund in collaboration with Alliance Bank. Thank you, Alliance Bank. So, stakeholders, SMEs, there is a funding available for you to transform yourself in this sustainable journey.
I would like to acknowledge our industry partners, our strategic sponsors, Intel Malaysia, Great Technology Berhad, Alliance Bank Malaysia Berhad, and of course supporting partners just now, our Invest Penang, Prepanker, MSIA, Strategic Capability Development Partners, SHRDC, and of course our content and media partners, Image Farm Productions.
By Penang Green Council to support industries, especially local mid-tier companies and SME.
Some evaluation and say yes. Right.
Every other top.
There are people in place and progress.
And they are driving all those things. So it starts from a shared vision, which is like
green economy, right? There's a lot of areas that give you a bit more insights. Green Agenda 2030